Hi, it's Mike with Beach Home Inspections. Here's some more maintenance tips for you. What do you look for when you're inspecting your bathroom? Let's have a look. So here, there's two main areas that I'm going to look at. The tub and of course the toilet. Those are the two areas that we have most concern with. So the first thing I want to do is have a look down at the base of the toilet. We want to make sure that any caulking detail is still in place, that there is nothing, no discoloration in, say, the grout lines and things like that around. If there isn't any of those things, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually check and make sure that this toilet doesn't move, and it flushes nicely. So it is pretty solid, that's all good. The next area I'm going to have a look at is the tiles at the base of the tub, right around here. And we can actually see, if we get a little bit closer now, that the caulking details are cracking. That's definitely a sign that the caulking needs to be replaced. When we push on them, they're nice and solid. So I'm not worried about any moisture truly getting behind, but we do have a potential with that caulking being aged. So get that caulking changed out. Well, there you have it. A couple of tips for you. Have a great day.